Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, Question 7. The average distance moved by a molecule between collisions is called A. Molecular distance, B. Intermolecular distance, C. Mean distance, and D. Mean free path. Now, let's analyze each of these options to get out our answer. Now, molecular distance, that's option A. Molecular distance is simply what the distance. This is the distance between atoms of the same molecule. That is, atoms of the same molecule. The distance between atoms of the same molecule is what we call the molecular distance. Now, B says intermolecular distance. This is the distance between different molecules or two molecules. Now, mean distance. This is the average distance between molecules of any element. Now, mean free path. Mean free path is the average. Mean free path is the average distance traveled by a moving particle. This particle can be an atom, it can be a molecule, between successive collision. Between successive collision. So mean free path is the average distance moved by or traveled by a moving particle between successive collision. And the question says the average distance moved by a molecule between collisions is called D. Mean free path. This is the answer to the question, mean free paths. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos.